Hi, good afternoon. This is Ricardo Castang reporting for eWeb News. I'm here with Mr. Pagliano from TripAdvisor.
TripAdvisor, yeah.
He is let him tell you what he is at TripAdvisor.
I'm actually the head of destination marketing sales for the Americas.
Very big position. I needed him to say that.
Yeah, so our team works with different destinations around North and South America and Latin America and the Caribbean to help promote those destinations to travelers.
Wow, that sounds like a lot.
Well, it's certainly a lot of fun. We get to work with a lot of exciting places around the world, so it's enjoyable.
So pretty soon you have to change your name to Trip Ambassadors, right?
Actually, that's great because I actually think that's more accurate to what we do.
You know that's along my lines. That's where I'm going with what I'm doing, right? So we might have to share that.
That's right. That's the beauty of travel is there's lots of ambassadors. So if you're a great destination, you're channeling all those ambassadors to help spread the word, and that's what TripAdvisor does.
Okay, good. Tell me what did you think about the event and what came out of it for you?
Well, actually, I mean, it's just always great to have an opportunity to talk with destinations face to face. You know, we deal with a lot of destinations by phone and by email, and it's great to be able to talk with an audience face to face, answer questions that they have, sort of learn what their challenges are, and just share. I'm looking forward to sort of the next event of the day because that really gives us even more opportunity to have those conversations.
That's good. So a good networking event and a good contacts.
Definitely. And I learned from the speakers as well.
You know, there's always something in education. You're never too old to learn something.
No, in fact, I always say the day that I stop learning is the day that I need to retire. So
Hopefully that's no time soon, right?
I don't know. I wouldn't mind retiring.
Sustainably.
There you go. Yes.
Because we all want to retire early, but sustainably.
Exactly.
So what's your next move for today?
Next move is lunch.
You're going to be attending the Rum and Rhythm thing?
I will not, unfortunately. I actually have another commitment.
Okay. Well, hopefully I'll be down there and I'll see you later soon. I'll be looking out for that email from you. It's a pleasure talking with you again, Stephen.
You as well.
And TripAdvisor, you need a trip, you need advice, you need reviews, check them out. They'll give you the best information. All right?
Thank you very much.